Sling Vest. Placement in bed for a perfect fit. The label shows the direction of the head end. Put the sling inside the vest and slide it under the user. The smooth surface makes it super easy. If the friction is too high to slide directly underneath, the sling vest can be folded and placed under the pillow. Remember to adjust the work height first. Make sure the label is facing the head end. The friction is low under the pillow. This makes it easy to unfold the sling vest. Now simply slide the sling into the vest and pull the leg strap into place. Sling vest is smooth on the inside as well, so adjusting to the perfect fit is easy. The sling vest also protects the skin from shear forces from the sling during lifting. For more information, go to mastercare.dk or call us. We're waiting to help you.